effect.
Now we got a coastal flood warning.
Wednesday.
What the heck?
2 to 2.5 feet of
2 to
inundation
1/2.
Ground level expected in vulnerable areas near the waterfront.
Wow.
With the Wednesday morning high tide.
Coastal flood warning.
Southern Queens County. When from 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. Wednesday.
Coastal flood warning for Southern Queens County.
Moderate flooding of vulnerable
Moderate
areas near
flooding.
the waterfront and shoreline, particularly Wednesday morning.
Dude, we got a coastal flood warning.
Inundation above ground level in low-lying vulnerable areas.
Dude, what the heck?
This will result in numerous road
What is
closures and
happening?
cause widespread flooding of low-lying property, including parking
Dude,
lots,
this isn't-
parks, lawns, and homes,
is
businesses
insane,
with basements near the waterfront. Vehicles parked in vulnerable areas near the waterfront will likely become flooded. Flooding will also extend inland from the waterfront along tidal rivers and bays. Shoreline impacts. Large breaking waves of 10 to 15 feet along the oceanfront will result in scattered dune erosion and localized overwashes. Localized flooding of roadways and vulnerable structures behind protective dunes is possible. Additional details, peak surge of 4 to 5 feet will likely be between times
Dude,
of
we
high
got a
tide
coastal
Tuesday
flood
evening and Wednesday
warning.
morning.
What the
The
heck?
timing of an offshore wind shift before the time of
They
high
issued a
tide
coastal
Wednesday
flood
morning is
advisory for my
expected to
area.
threat for major flood thresholds to reach
Major
the
flood
inundation
threats.
above ground to be reached low and localized. Surge guidance trends will be monitored and
Dude,
forecast
we got a
for
coastal
over the
flood
next 24
warning.
hours. In addition, heavy rain during the Tuesday evening high tide will likely exacerbate urban and poor drainage flood issues for coastal and shoreline roads. Precautionary and preparedness actions.
Dude, we got a
Necessary
coastal
actions to
flood
protect
warning.
flood-prone property.
What the heck?
If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown
Hold on.
depth.
Look at this. It's gonna be a double header. Double header! I knew it! I knew it! It's gonna be a double header. Dude, and a double header. We got a double header, coastal flood warning.
Coastal flood warning in effect from 4 p.m.
What is
Tuesday
this,
to 1 p.m.
dude?
Wednesday.
What the heck?
What? 1 to 2 feet of inundation
1 to
above
2
ground
feet.
level expected in vulnerable
Dude, we got
areas
a-
near the
we got
waterfront
another
and shoreline
CFW.
with the Tuesday evening high tide
Another
cycle.
CFW.
2 to 2.5 feet of inundation
What
above
the
ground level
heck?
expected in vulnerable areas
No
near the
way.
waterfront and shoreline with the Wednesday
It's gonna be a
morning
good
high tide
EAS
cycle.
compilation.
Locally 3 feet possible.
3 feet possible.
Where? Northeast Suffolk, southwest Suffolk, southeast Suffolk, and southern Nassau counties. When? From 4 p.m. Tuesday to 1 p.m. Wednesday. Coastal flood impacts. Widespread moderate flooding of vulnerable areas near the waterfront and shoreline, particularly Wednesday morning. Expect 2 to 2.5 feet, locally 3 feet of inundation above ground level in low-lying, vulnerable areas. This will result in numerous road closures and cause widespread flooding of low-lying property, including parking lots,
What the heck? We got-
lawns, and
bro,
homes,
we got a
businesses
double
with basements
header.
near the waterfront. Vehicles parked in vulnerable
Dude,
areas
that
near
is
the waterfront
insane.
will likely become flooded. Flooding will also extend inland from the waterfront along tidal rivers and bays.
What the heck?
Shoreline impacts.
Bro, this is
Large
rare.
breaking waves of
We
15
got
to 20
another-
feet along the oceanfront
Bro,
will
we
result
got
in
another
widespread
rare.
erosion and damage to
We got another
infrastructures.
rare, dude.
Scattered overwashes are expected, resulting in
Scattered
some flooding of
overwashes
roadways
are
and
expected.
vulnerable structures behind protective dunes. Isolated breaches or inundation of the barrier island is possible where dune structures have been severely compromised by previous storms. Additional details, peak surge of 4 to 5 feet will likely be between times of
4 to
high
5
tide
feet.
Tuesday evening and Wednesday morning. Tidal piling will likely inhibit the recession of water before the Wednesday and high tide.
Dude, we
which
got
could
a
cause
double
locally
header.
major
Coastal
flooding
flood
for an area
warning.
from Freeport eastward. Of particular concern are areas along the eastern Great South
Wow,
Basin,
what the
rivers
heck,
along
dude?
the bay side of Fire Island, where west to southwest gale winds may.
It's gonna be a triple header. Oh, never mind. It's not a triple header.
South of Long Island between Montauk
Bro.
Point and Sandy Hook, out to 1,000 fathoms. Storm warning. Today, northwest winds 15 to 20.
Wow, what the heck is happening? We just literally got a double header. Coastal flood warning. That is rare.